In this video, I want to show you what's happened with you if you have small airplane and got annual inspection. Every single airplane in the US have to pass it every year, and sometimes it's short. But if you have old airplane, sometimes this happened. Well, look at this video, and then the video have information about prices, and let's go. Hi everybody, Flying Erferts channel with you. This is our boys and this is our bird, little set, because we got annual inspection and they found couple damage. Now it looks like not nice bird. It's flying, you can see our previous video. It's flying pretty well, we're happy with this bird. But it's not new airplane because have some damage because we use this a lot. And now we're a little stuck in the hangar and a couple weeks probably. In the end of this video, my husband will tell you about prices. How much is this? Because I'm Russian wife, I have no idea. And yes, my husband Grant, he's a pilot in our team and he knows details and can tell you what's happened is here.
Our engine mount here, and over here, you can see everything here from the firewall forward is out. It's a good time everything can get cleaned up while the engine's out, so we're gonna take some time and get that done. So you can see here's the plane. Some of the seats out of it right now. Gonna get cleaned up, get those cleaned up with some leather cleaner. When we got this plane, the interior was pretty bad. We have since replaced the interior, had it redone. So it's got all the parts and stuff pulled out. There's a nose cone there. But it happens. So get that guy locked up. Whoop! There's my little trusty little co-pilot. So the back of it, you can see here, is on this attached to this guy here, because with the weight of the aircraft or the weight of the engine off, the plane would want to lean back, so that keeps it from leaning back. So, and yeah, we've got all the parts and pieces that are off of it. Here's the prop, Miles' shoes, front landing gear. But like I said, this will be a good time to get everything cleaned up while it's out, do all the rest of the parts of the annual, and get it back in the air. It's much more exciting when it's in the air than on the ground. And then the annual here in St. Louis, we're at St. Charles, and right now it's about $100 an hour for the annual. I don't know what the annual is going to cost on this one. It's going to be definitely more extensive than I was hoping to be with the engine mount, but these things happen with aviation. You got to get them done, got to get them taken care of, and we'll get the airplane back in the air, and hopefully by the time we go to Oshkosh, because that's our goal. Right, Miles? So here we are back at the airplane, and the airplane is about to go back into annual. Last annual, we got a surprise when we were doing it, and the engine mount, this is the engine mount here, it mounts the engine to the frame. It had a couple of cracks and some really small cracks. You can see it looks pretty new now. So I had it redone. I had to send it off, take out the engine mount so the whole engine was off. That was pretty pricey. So that annual with the engine mount was probably about $7,900, and a couple of months we were down. So getting the engine mount off and getting it back, it looks awesome now. Actually, I need to get a little bit of a wipe down here, but like I said, it's about to go back into annual. But that's the engine mount. It's important. Keeps the engine attached to the airplane, which if it came off mid-flight, if you can imagine, would probably be adversely exciting. Yeah, I love how it looks now, nice and black. It's glossy, looks great. And I think we also had to replace one of the pieces of the exhaust as well that had a crack, which hadn't been leading to any leaks, but that we'd known about, but good precaution to get taken care of beforehand. But here it is now. Miles has helped me.
He turns back like this.
Oh, Miles, what'd you pick up there? What do you got in there?
It's froggy.
It's a froggy. We have a frog in our hanger, a frog hanger frog. So yeah, Miles is you gonna show everybody that one. Oh yeah, is it still live, Miles?
Look.
No, it looks pretty smashed. I think we may have smashed it when we walked in this afternoon. Okay, Miles, say bye-bye. We gotta wash your hands now. Yes.
If you like this video, type like, make a comment what you like or not. Do you want to see more? And in our channel we will show you life with a small airplane in the US, where you can fly, how you chose these places, how keep airplane, how set up family, baby, and all small and big parts.